Lily from the Creative Art Studio, and today we're going to be making a crystal ball. It's the perfect decoration and so simple for Halloween. So first we're going to make the smaller crystal ball. We're going to take an 11-inch marbled balloon and blow it up. We're going to blow it up as much as we can, just because we want to make sure we can have enough space to let out air to make it round. Now that this is like this, we're going to go ahead and release some of the air and push down. So that way we have a nice little round ball. I'm going to tie it off and set it off to the side. Now we're going to take a 260 chrome balloon and inflate it 3 times, 3 pumps. 1, 2, 3. Tie it. Then we're going to tie it at this end. Then we're going to make with 2 fingers a little bubble, and we're going to twist it all the way. Then we're going to tie the ends and do a double knot. Cut off the excess, and we're going to use our 2 fingers, which is called pinch, and we're going to lift and twist our little bubble. We're going to lift and twist our little bubble. You don't have to do this part, it just looks a little bit nicer, it looks more finished. Then I'm going to shape my balloon as circular as possible. Have some glue dashes, glue dots, or low temperature glue gun. Cut off the tail of my balloon and sit it in here. And using my glue dashes, adhere to the chrome balloon. We need about 2 or 3 points to make sure that this is nice and secure. And that's it, you've got your crystal ball. Easy peasy. If you want to make a larger crystal ball, we can use a 3-foot marbled balloon and 2 260 chrome balloons. I'll show you how to do that now. For our large crystal ball, we're going to need 2 260 balloons, and we're going to blow it up 6 pumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to tie it. Soften it up just a little bit. And then tie it off here. I'm going to shape it a bit to make it as round as possible. And we're going to do the same thing to the second one. Now that we have our 2 260s blown up and tied, we're going to adhere them to each other first. We're going to cut off our excess. We're going to tie the smaller portions together. And then cut off the longer excess. Now we're going to inflate a 3-foot agate balloon to be able to put it in here and secure it to the 260. See? And now we're going to repeat the same process with the glue dashes, glue dots, or a low temperature glue gun. remember, for a finished look, you can always do the same bubble technique. You can always do the same bubble technique on the back as we did with the smaller one. Voila! This would be so perfect to add a vinyl that says, "What's your fortune? Happy Halloween." Add some spiders, spider webs, and just finish the look off. Thanks for watching.